Hi, today we have solved the problems in fluid properties. First problem, calculate the specific weight, specific mass, specific volume of liquid having a volume of 6 meters cube and a weight of 44 kilonewton. First write the given data. Volume V is equal to 6 meters cube. Weight capital W is equal to 44 kilonewton. We have convert the kilonewton to the newton. So W is equal to 44 into 10 to the power of 3 newton. Next to find. To find is first one, specific weight small w, specific mass or density rho. Third one, specific volume small v. Then solution. First one is specific weight. Specific weight is equal to weight to the volume. Unit Newton per meters cube. Then you have substitute the values. Weight value is 44 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by volume is 6. So answer is equal to 7.3 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per meters cube. Second one, specific mass or density. Density is equal to mass by volume unit kg per meters cube. This problem is mass value is not in given data, but weight value is given. So that relation used to find out the mass value. So m is equal to capital W, weight divided by acceleration due to gravity, g, unit kilogram. Weight value is already known, 44 into 10 to the power of 3. Acceleration due to gravity, g value is constant for 9.81. Then we have substitute in the density formula. Density is equal to 44 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 9.81 into 6. We have density value is 747.53 kg per meters cube. Third one is specific volume. Specific volume is denoted by small v is equal to volume capital V divided by mass m. Unit meters cube per kg. Volume value is already in given data. So mass value is, find out this previous step. V is equal to, then another one definition of specific volume is reciprocal of mass density. So we have specific volume V is equal to 1 divided by density. Density value is already having an answer 7.53 kg per meters cube. So you have substitute in that condition. V is equal to 1 divided by 747.53 is equal to 1.34 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters cube per kg. Then second problem, calculate the specific weight, density, specific gravity of 1 liter liquid which weighs 7 newton. Given data, volume V is equal to 1 liter, but volume unit is meters cube, but this problem given data is 1 liter. So you have convert the liter to meters cube. So is equal to 1 divided by 1000 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters cube. Weight W is equal to 7 newton. Specific weight. Specific weight small w is equal to capital W, weight divided by volume, unit Newton per meters cube. Weight already given in given data. So volume already given in given data. So substitute the values in first formulas. So is equal to 7 divided by 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So specific weight is equal to 7000 Newton per meters cube. Second one, density. Density is equal to mass by volume, unit kg per meters cube. In this problem, mass value is directly not given, but weight value is given. So that relation used to find the mass value. M is equal to capital W divided by G. So substitute in density formula. Rho is equal to capital W divided by volume into acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to substituting the values. W value is 7 divided by V value is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into G value 9.81. So answer is equal to 713.55 kg per meters cube. Third one, specific gravity. Specific gravity S is equal to density of the liquid to the density of the fluid. In this problem, using the fluid is water, so density of the fluid value is constant, 1000 kg per meters cube. Density of the liquid is calculated in previous step, 713.55 kg per meters cube. So you have substitute in this formula. So specific gravity S is equal to 713.56 divided by 1000. Finally, we get the answer of specific gravity S is equal to 0.713. Unit is no unit because upper division and lower division are same units, so no unit. Third problem is calculate the density specific weight of 1 liter petrol where specific gravity 0.7. Given data, specific gravity S is equal to 0.7, volume B is equal to 1 liter. We have should be convert the liter to volume. So is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters cube. To find next, first one of density, second one specific weight. Solution, first one density of petrol. In this problem, fluid is petrol, so first one solution subcutting to the density of the petrol. Density of the petrol is rated in this problem. Specific gravity is given, so you have density of petrol is find out from the specific gravity formula. So S is equal to density of the petrol to the density of the water or standard fluid. Density of the water is constant value 1000 kg per meters cube. Specific gravity value is already given in given data 0.7. Density of petrol only, petrol is find the values. So density of the petrol is right hand side, remaining values are move to the left hand side. So 0.7 into 1000. So density of the petrol is 700 kg per meters cube. Second one, specific weight. Specific weight small w is equal to capital W divided by V. We know that W is equal to M into G. W is equal to M into G divided by V. So density is equal to M by V. W is equal to rho G. Rho is already find out in first step. Density of the petrol 7000. G value is constant 9.81. We are multiplying the two values to get the specific weight 6867 Newton per meters cubes.